Happy Friday, everybody. I'm back with another project using Enchanted from Valori. Valori Wells' new line. I'm going to show you how to do this cute little table runner, okay? And yes, I did use orange. It's on the back, okay? I'm just going to fold it up and put it off to the side here while I explain how to do it. Those are Snowball little blocks. But I want to start by letting you know what products I'm using. I'm using the little Mighty Steam Iron, this little blue guy. It's wonderful. Then I'm also using Kai scissors. They come in different sizes. I'm using a rotary cutter, come in different sizes. And I'm also using a wool pressing mat. And those come in different sizes. Just want to get it out there because people ask me and I always forget. So if I introduce it at the beginning, I also have this really awesome spray bottle. It has this really fine steam. And I use that instead of putting water in my iron. I like to keep a dry iron, so I use a spray bottle all the time. So now you know, oh, and of course, rulers, and of course we have a bazillion of those. So, there isn't really a pattern for this, so I'm going to tell you what you need. To do this table runner, which is, I have to look and see what size, it's 18 inches by 45 inches finished. So you would need one pack of 5-inch charm squares that have 40 in it, because I use 40 squares, okay? And then you would also need a ½ yard of fabric for the background, okay? And you're going to take that ½ yard fabric, cut it into 8 2-inch strips, and cut those 8 strips into 2-inch squares for a total of 160 squares, okay? That's all you need for the top. So right here, I'm going to do some little steps for you. You've got your squares already cut, the 5-inch ones. You've cut your little 2-inch squares. Right sides together, lay them on the corner. This is called a snowball. You can do one at a time if you want to. You don't have to lay all 4 out. Matter of fact, it's easier if you do one at a time. Okay, I just want you to see what it looks like, okay? Then you're going to do, it's hard to see on this because I used cream fabric, or cream thread. But you go from corner to corner, diagonal. And then you're going to cut away, and you need to do that on all 4. Then you're going to cut away a 1/4 inch of this, okay? And then it's going to open up like that. And you're going to press it open. I'll go ahead and cut all 4 of these really quick. And press it open for you so that you can see. This is like the most simple table runner. If you need to get a quick gift done, spray it, and then just press it open. This little iron is so awesome. It heats up really nicely. There we go. There's my square. 240 of those. Then you're going to lay them out in rows. I already sewed a couple of rows together, okay? But here, these are all laid out. 4 rows. Boom. Sew your rows together, that row, and then you start sewing these rows together. And then you got your 4 rows together, and you have your quilt top, okay? Now, to finish it, you are going to need some backing. So I have to cheat over here and look and see how much I need. I believe 3/4 yard of backing. And this is what's cool, because this is only 18 inches wide. When you buy your fabric and it comes folded, so you have that fold and the salvages are down at the end, cut that fold in half and then sew them end to end. So you get the length you need and you don't have any wasted fabric. And you need 3/8 yard for your binding, okay? That is the table runner. I'll be back next week with another project, okay?